Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how to download the YouTube app on your PC and laptop. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to youtube.com. Once the website loads, click on the three dots in the top right corner of your browser. From the menu, go to the Save and Share section. Then click on Install YouTube. A confirmation window will appear. Simply click Install and the YouTube app will be installed on your laptop or PC in just a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, you can also pin the YouTube app to your taskbar for quick and easy access. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.